this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. But before I begin with the video, if you're interested in Shopify, you can get it for only $1 your first month if you use my link in the description. So if you want to use it, you just need to type in follow Meta AI, and that will be it. So, but how do you actually get it? Well, Meta AI can be accessed in Facebook feed or Instagram search and in WhatsApp, and is currently running a beta test in the US. So WhatsApp to create images for text in real time using the AI image feature. Now, if you want to check if Meta AI is available in your country, type in Meta AI and click on the first link. And here you will see is it available. So let's try. And as you can see, unfortunately not available in my country, but if it doesn't tell that for you, you will be able to use. So as you can see, it's going to look like this. If you don't have it as well, you can install and deinstall the application and do it that way. But that's it. Thank you for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.